So they were using the missiles in order to intercept the drones of Pakistan. So there was a usage of intelligence as well.
Because I believe कि लोगों को आप अपना खूबियां बताइए, खामियां तो लोग अपने आप ढूंढ लेते हैं. So I just wanna go with very basic and I just wanna say.
So there is a very famous saying that your first appearance is your last appearance, and we know that we have many kind of sectors like aviation sectors, news anchoring, and the modeling. So there the people are chosen just because of their good appearance and just good lookings.
It is the task that is conducted in SSB interview. In the first day of the SSB interview, the PPDT task is conducted. In this task, they will show us a picture. In that picture is blurred and in black and white condition. The picture contains some of the persons. We have to choose one person and make him as our hero. And we have to assign him a task, and accordingly we have to add on some actions, and that action is very necessary that our hero is going to take that actions to complete the task that we have assigned to him.
But right now we have the opportunity to attend the online classes from the renowned or world class teachers around the world, and with the help of that internet we can grab that opportunity and we can crack any examination by staying at home only.
Since I have already instructed you, I have instructed primarily to Mr. Sumit and Akansha, especially for leading a specific group in different tasks. He has been assigned so as to make them understand. The students will be segregated in multiple different groups, okay? And he is gonna make them understand what the PPDT task is, and eventually he is gonna demonstrate as well. So basically his responsibility is to speak and get others spoken as well in terms of PPDT task. Secondly, like, does the part-time job assess the students positively or negatively? Okay, so she's gonna counter attack the students in terms of their perspective, based on their perspective. If somebody is in favor of positive impact, then she's gonna ask questions negatively. Okay, like somebody is expressing their negative impacts primarily, she is gonna counter attack with questions based on positive aspects. As far as my information is concerned, you are doing B.Ed, right? So you need to arise some generalized questions based on the significance of English speaking skills mainly. Okay, like you'll be asking some random questions. Whatsoever the domain is there, whatsoever the career they want to make in, okay, you are supposed to arise questions regarding the significance of your field, significance of English in your sector, in your field. Is it clear? Let's, for instance, somebody wants to make career in defense. You need to arise questions based on the significance of English speaking skills mainly in defense sector, likewise in teaching sector, likewise in banking sector, and many of the sectors. Is it clear? So this is what the question you need to directly pitch. Like you can first of all, you need to go in any of this specific group and do the briefing of yours. Like, hi everyone, this side Tehseen, one of the students of English Cafe, and today I have been assigned a specific task. So I have come here with a very debatable topic, that is, has the world developed a lot through competition or cooperation? It's a very wide topic where you can include more and more facts based on previous like history and all. Okay, from all across the globe you can get the facts and figures and highlight over there. Is it clear? Once you have conducted in one specific group, you are supposed to switch to another group. Likewise, you similarly, once you have conducted in one specific group, switch to another and do the same.
We can also point out our mistakes, and we can also do because doing practice it is not possible to do.
Hello everyone, good evening. This side Akanksha Oja. I am a defense aspirant and currently I am preparing for defense examination. As of now, I have assigned for a new topic that is a very debatable topic for us, that is which matters a lot, that the beauty or a brain for having success in our life. So if I talk about the brain as a beauty aspect, So there is there is a very famous saying that your first appearance is your last appearance, and we know that we have many kind of sectors like aviation sectors, news anchoring, and the modeling. So there the people are chosen just because of their good appearance and just good lookings in order to sell or to enhance their business as well or the jobs. But if I talk about the brain, so there is also a different saying that agar good na ho to roop व्यर्थ hai, you know. So as we have seen in the lately we have seen that in Operation Sindoor there was a uses of intelligence a lot, like the peoples who were having a lot of knowledges regarding that kind of thing. So they were using the missiles in order to intercept the drones of Pakistan. So there was a uses of intelligence as well. And if I also talk about the interview sector, so there also you have to showcase your intelligence, not your beauty. I know beauty matters a lot, like if it gives you confidence, it boosts your confidence as well, like in order to stand or to deliver your words in front of the people. But as long as you have the brain or having that kind of concept or the points, then only you can showcase your intelligence and then highlight your points as well. So I think the both matters a lot, but still brain is having the leading prospect.
Hello everyone. Hello. Okay, sir has assigned me a task. I am going to tell you about the PPDT. It is the task that is conducted in SSB interview. In the first day of the SSB interview, the PPDT task is conducted. In this task, they will show us a picture. In that picture is blurred and in black and white condition. The picture contains some of the persons. We have to choose one person and make him as our hero. And we have to assign him a task, and accordingly we have to add on some actions, and that action is very necessary that our hero is going to take that actions to complete the task that we have assigned to him. For your better understanding, I am going to show you a picture. It is the picture that is shown to the candidate of the SSB. In this picture we can see there are two characters. One character is standing and he is looking in little bit sad mood, and the other character is making him understand that it's not any problem. So we can make a picture on this, like we can make him as our hero who is making the understand to other. So we can make him the elder brother of a boy. His name is Sumit. He saw that his brother is upset and standing on a ground. He went to him and told about the reason that why he is upset. He got to know that he got less marks in math exam of class.
So hello everyone. Hello. How are you all? It's me Faizan, one of the speakers of English Cafe, and today I am here with a very new topic, and it is going to be something marvelous, and also we can relate our life from this type of topics. SWOT analysis. Okay, so I just want to go with very basic. What is SWOT analysis? So I just want to say S stands for strengths, and W refers to weaknesses, and O refers to opportunities, and T stands for threats. Okay, so I just want to go with very basic, and I just want to start with a strength as well, because I believe कि लोगों को आप अपना खूबियां बताइए, खामियां तो लोग अपने आप ढूंढ लेते हैं. So I just want to go with very basic, and I just want to say first of all my strengths. So if I talk about one of my strengths, so I have confidence. It means if I talk my confidence, so I can perform on this stage and something else. So it could be my opportunities as well. Talking about my weaknesses, so as we all know that I am UPSC aspirant, and I have good command in NCRTs, and for the 1 year I have been commanding, and I have been covering entirely 1 year or more than 1 year. But on the other hand, I haven't touched the CSET, you can say, the syllabus, and I am something weak in mathematics as well. So I have some weaknesses on it. Okay, it means if I in the prelims examination, if I get a scored something which is qualifiable in the marks, but on the other hand, in the set I have some threats, I can get failed. So it is my, you can say that, weaknesses on it. So it going to be like that. So here what we have to do in SWOT analysis, it is very basic. If you have you can say that if you have a strength, so what could be opportunity of yourself, and if you have weaknesses, so what could be the threats of yourself, and what are you doing and for removing that weaknesses also. A very delightful evening to all the vibrant members of English Cafe. So this is one of the prominent and enthusiastic speakers of English Cafe, Amit Kumar, and today I have a new significant activity, that is jam session. So guys, let me make you understand that what do we do in jam session. So in a jam session we provide you 1 minute, and in a complete 1 minute you have to speak continuity with continuity, and while speaking you have to keep it in mind that you don't have to take longer pause, you have to you don't have to make a lot of grammatical errors, and as we know, in the consequences of this jam session, it will lead to the improvement of your confidence, it will lead to the improvement of your fluency, and it will eventually lead to the it will impact your communication skill.